back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. This is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a few purchases and winnings that I got this week. And I am going to go ahead and flip the camera so we can watch the unboxing of the purchase items and also the winnings. Okay, we're here at the crafty table and these are the packages that I got. So let me show you the first one. I ordered these metal dies in Amazon, and this one it's from Spellbinders, and it's a wine glass bottle tag, which is like really cool and cute. And this other metal die, it's a long fawn custom craft dies, and it's a goodie bag, which I always wanted to get these metal dies, so finally I was able to purchase it. And let's go ahead and dig into my winnings from Brittany Pochick. I'm going to open this box really quick. And let's see. I participated in a live that Brittany Pochick hosted in Instagram, and I won. She was just making these gorgeous layered rosettes, and I won her rosette, which is just so beautiful. And look at the packaging. Look at this tissue paper. Oh my god, Brittany, this is just so gorgeous. Never seen this before. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this yumminess. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely I'm gonna save it too. Look at this. And it came in a plastic little box, and I'm gonna open this up. And she was just making on camera layering rosettes, and I just love her style and her layering. And look at this. Oh, how gorgeous. Look at this. I'm gonna come closer. Look at all the layering. It's like a chunky monkey gorgeous rosette. Maggie Holmes ephemera, tickets, stickies from Willow Lane. Oh, look at this bunny. And look how she layered. This is vellum, quite stitched vellum, and it's just so gorgeous. And I love the acetate and all the embellishment. How gorgeous. Thank you, Brittany. Now the next one comes from a very special person, and I'm going to just cover the, look at this, how gorgeous. Look at this packaging. So she is selling in her Etsy shop embellishments and things like that, and this is from the the Paper Treasury. Okay, so here we are. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. She just gave me extra stuff. How nice. Oh, I just love her work. I'm going to leave her link to her YouTube and her Instagram handle and her Etsy shop in the description box below, as well as Brittany's info as well. And look at that. You are so very loved. Oh, how cute. Oh, she is just so funny. I just love her. And look at this. Oh, how gorgeous. I love it. It's a oh, neat. Look at this. It's like a flip book, a card. How cute. Or a flip card, that's how you call it. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. I'm getting inspired to make something like this. And oh, it's just full of embellishments. Oh my goodness, look at these memory decks. Look at the detail, the acetate. Oh, how gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And she stitched everything, the borders of the memory decks. And let's take a, oh, I love this neon crinkled paper. And this is one taggy. Gorgeous. Look at all the dimension of the tag. tassel. And oh, I love these. I want to make one of these what do you call it, like stick banners, or it's just so gorgeous. Love all the dimension and the pom-pom. And this one, oh my goodness, look at this one. It's a taggy. Probably I'm too close. Probably I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Yeah, it's a tag with the beads. How cute! And look at all the dimension. And it's a shaker tag. How gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I have been watching her Insta stories as well. And look at these pouches. Oh, I love that hot pink or neon pink thread stitching. And here it comes. And let me see. Oh, that's cute. So it's a pouch, like a shaker pouch. And look at these gorgeous embelly. And oh, awesome. And a couple of like knickknacks here and there. Oh, I love these hearts. Very cute. Look at that. These big pom-poms. Thank you, because I don't have this size of pom-poms. Like, so especially like pastel colors and these beads. And look at that. Look at all the beads. Mini clothespin. Oh, look at the little bottle. And this other one, June 6. And the last one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I believe she used the Good Vibes collection and more. Oh, that's so cute. I love these hearts. Love it, love it. I don't have that. It's just so gorgeous. So this is from the Paper Treasury, and I will leave the link to her Etsy shop and also her Instagram and YouTube accounts. Just check her on Instagram. She posts on Insta stories when she's being posting, you know, goodies for sale. Just definitely you have to check her out. And my last package, it's not a craft related purchase, but it's from Ipsy, which is a makeup subscription. I have been subscribed to this company, I would say 2 years, and I just love it. You can customize your glam kit based on whatever you want to receive. If you want to receive like hair products or makeup or skin, all that jazz. So I got these hydrating sheets, and that's how I try new products and see which one. They come in a kind of like a sample size. So if there's something new and it's gonna work, then you go and purchase it, you know, at the stores. So actually it's a savings. It's just only $10 a month, and it comes with different pouches. So for this month it came this green pouch, and let's see, glam bag. Here we go, all the things that came. The brands are super good, like Tony Moly, that's a Korean brand, English Laundry. And let's take a look. So I got this Oxford Blue Femme English Laundry, and it's a perfume. Ooh, it's the first time I receive a perfume. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. This is just definitely a summer perfume, and this is from Sugar, and this is supposed to be a mini blush. Look how cute. Yeah. And this other one is from Vita 12. It's a jelly cleanser, also a Korean one. And this is It's My Game Tetris eyeshadows. Oh, let's see that. Look at that. Cute, 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 cute. So it's only $10 a month, and it's worth it, you know, even like to include on Happy Mail, you know, if you're sending things to your pen pal, you know, you have like these tiny little samples that you can give away or use them. Wow. So this was like really nice, and I love that perfume. Oh, it smells like clean, like crispy clean and sweet, and it's I have to find out what is this perfume made of. Let me see if the perfume is just like so good. So it's a blend of fruits, floral, and soft woody notes like citrus, jasmine, amber, and sandalwood. It's fresh like a summer's day. Oh, that's how it smells like. Smells like summer. Oh, okay. So this is the winning from Brittany. This is the embellishment box from Paper Treasury. And we also view these dies from Spellbinder and long font that I got at Amazon. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.